Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Harry Potter any kind of out of memory error. I will show you guys the three effective solution that will definitely fix your problem. So let's get started. So guys, first cause is your unupdated graphic card. You can go to the Windows set, type it the device manager and it will appear on the top. Just open out your device manager. Here you will see the display adapter. Simply open it and update your graphic card. If you have the NVIDIA graphic card, then just simply open up the NVIDIA software and update your graphic card. And if you have the AMD graphic card, then just simply open up the AMD software and update it. And if this is not the problem, then the next solution is you can go to the Windows side, type it the View Advanced System Settings and open it. Now guys, we're going to increase our virtual memory or the graphic card memory. Then click on the settings on the advanced and go to the advanced tab on the top and then click on the change. And now here select the C where your operating system is installed. Now guys, we are going to increase our graphic card RAM whenever our game need more graphic card to run. So our disk space is used instead of our graphic card RAM. So here you just need to select the C and just uncheck this box of the automatically manage paging file size. And once you uncheck it, click on the custom size, then go to the Windows search and type in the calculator. Now we are going to calculate the memory that we can type in the initial size or maximum size. If you have the 8 GB of RAM, then multiply it with the 1024, which is the constant value, and type this in the initial size. And just multiply it with the 3 and type this value in the maximum size. So this memory will be used. So our RAM is increased. If you have the 16 GB of RAM, then multiply it with the 1024, type this in the initial size, and multiply it with the 3 and type this value in the maximum size. Then guys, click on the set option, then click on the OK, then click on the apply, then click on the OK. The third reason is your unupdated Windows. So you have to check your Windows is updated or not. If your Windows is not updated, you can simply update it, because this is the third reason why your game has the out of memory error. And I hope your problem is fixed. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.